welcome back to my new videos. So this video was recorded when I was in China last year. I had Lolita makeup transformation at the Lolita experience shop. I think this is very cool that they have Lolita experience shop in my hometown. Before I immigrated to American, Lolita experience shop didn't exist, so I'm very happy they have it now. So all those Lolita prints available on my Etsy store. Check it out. Okay, let's start this video. So this is the album from the Lolita experience shop. 哇，我很喜欢这一套。这套很好看，不是照两套嘛？我想两个风格就是差别很大，就是很不一样。哇，这些都好好看哦！我一会儿可以看一下你们所有的裙子吗？
可以呀。
So right now I'm at the Lolita experience shop, and those are all the clothes that I can choose from. So right now I'm trying to narrow down the choices. 就是完全不一样的风格。So I decided I will choose this one for the photo shoot, and this one I'll just try it on and take some pictures by myself. So we will do the photo shoot for this one. Next, I'm going to show you guys some of accessories. 哇，这个墙也是粉色的，好漂亮哦！印花的，印花的，我要印花的。那我换印花的好了。This is the studio for the photo shoot, and it's got all the accessories and props. 哇，这个很梦幻的。因为我脸很圆嘛，所以旁边要挡一下。
这还好一点，不是很。
这个很好，这个很好。是不是穿洛丽塔一定要戴假发？
其实也可以不戴，但是很多人他们会选择，因为觉得跟裙子会比较搭。
Right now we will do the makeup transformation, and I'm very surprised that she recognized me, my makeup artist.
关于你的视频还蛮多的。
汉服差好多。好，闭上眼睛，对，非常好。3可以不用看我就看，再低一点的，3，好的，3，好，可以看我这样，对，超可爱的，天，我有时间偷偷梦想，3，对，超可爱的，3，对，非常好，好的，超可爱的，再把低一点哦，对，非常好，3，对，超可爱的，非常好，3，看我一下下哦，3。